Kapag female dog mo ay tahimik or masungit, don't worry, normal yan. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne and I'm an animal welfare advocate for 25 years. I also had an international organization that gives Aspins a chance for a second life. Kapag female dog mo ay tahimik or masungit, don't worry, normal yan. Hormonal changes, meron din silang to Hormonal changes affects emotions. Mild mood swings are common during heat cycles or hormonal shifts. Sabi ko sa'yo ang dogs may hormonal cycles din. Now, anong gagawin natin? Create a calm environment, speak slowly, and avoid forcing interaction. Kung ayaw niya maglaro, pabayaan mo lang siya, iwan mo lang siya doon. Gentle reassurance and letting them choose space helps them relax. So remember, gentle care equals smoother mood and less stress. Save this tip para maalala mo sa susunod na heat cycle ng dog mo.